Hello everyone, I'm Jamie from Somerset Web Design, and today we're looking at adding products to WooCommerce using WordPress and the Avada theme. I will assume that you're logged into WordPress and you're looking at the dashboard. And so we'll begin by clicking or hovering over the products link on the bottom left of the page, and then you have a choice of viewing all the products. Bear in mind this might be your first product you're adding, or you can click on the add new link, which is a little shortcut to crack on with adding a product. So we're going to click add new and let the page load. So adding a product can be really quick. You just need to complete a few fields, as I will now demonstrate. We will look at adding a product with more product options in another video, but for now we'll just focus on the basics to get you going. Start by clicking in the product name field and enter the title of your product, and try and be descriptive, include some keywords where possible. I'm going to add a calendar for a photographer, so I'm going to call it Exmoor Calendar 2021. So that's the product title, the name of the product. At any point you can always click the save draft button, and that will save where you are editing this product, and you can come back to it at a later date and complete the other fields. But for now we'll carry on and we'll add the description of the calendar. So we'll just look at the two description boxes or product details boxes that are on this page. The large box and just underneath the title is the long description. So if you have a lot of information about a product, put it in here. Okay, you can just cut and paste it from Word or from a notepad. And the shorter description, which appears near the image, the product image, or just above the Buy Now button. If you scroll down the page, you'll see the product short description field, and in here you can just give a brief summary of the product. I would just demonstrate this by clicking on another tab, and you can see here's a demo product, and I've just written top shorter description here. So this is where the short description appears, and as you scroll down, this is where the main kind of longer description appears, and you can, the more text you write, it just expands this box. So we just flip back. For demonstration purposes, I would just write product long description there, and you can always turn that into a heading tag if you want a heading 1 or heading 2 tag. The fonts and the size of the font, the colors, etc. are formatted elsewhere in the system, so don't be concerned if the text doesn't look like how it should appear on the website. So we'll move on to adding the product image. So we'll just scroll down the page, and actually before that, so we'll scroll down the page and just I will assume that you've added your long product description, and all we need then is a price, and you can see under where it says product data, simple product. If you don't see this field, sometimes it can be minimized. There's a little arrow at the end there where you can minimize and you can expand the box. Okay, so this is in the regular price field. This is where you can put the price, and I know it's $9.99, and you do have the opportunity to put in a sell price if you want below, and that will just show the sell price with well, it showed a regular and sell price, and it will put a strike through the regular price to show the new sell price below it. So once you've added the price, we just need to add a product image. So you scroll down a little bit more, and on the right you'll see product image, and just click the set product image link, and then it would take you to the media library. Again, this is where all the images for your website are stored. If the image isn't in the media library, then just upload the image using the upload files link in the top left hand corner, and then the select files button and browse to the image on your computer, and we're going to upload two images. We're going to select one on the calendar there, and there should be another calendar image somewhere, that one next to it. So we click the open button and that will upload both images. We will use the front cover of the calendar as our main featured image, and in here you can also add the alt text and the title. This is again just describe the image using keywords, and once you've done that, I copy that. So in here I can put in Exmoor calendar 2021, and I could just copy that and paste it in the title below, and then click the set product image button, and that will load there. If you have several images like I do here, we just scroll down and we add the second image to the product gallery. So we're going to click the add product gallery images link, and we're going to select the kind of reverse of the calendar and click add to gallery. Again, you should enter the alt text. This is describes the image, and Google uses this for its Google images search, and it's quite important for SEO. So we'll just put in reverse of calendar in there, copy that to the next one, or better get that correct. Okay, we'll just copy that in there and click add to gallery. So we've added the images, we've added the price. In here we can add the short description. Like I said before, it's the it's like a summary of the product that is next to the image and just above the buy now button. So we'll just leave that blank for a minute, and we'll scroll up the page again to where it says product categories. So I've got quite a few categories currently here. If you don't have any categories, you can create categories just at the bottom there by clicking add new category. I could do that now, click add new category, I call it demo, and then the button appears add new category. You can make it a subcategory of an existing category by selecting one of the main heading categories, and then, but for in this case we just leave it as a parent category, and we click the button add new category, and then you see it appear on the list of categories with a tick to the left. So we've done the price, we've added the title, we've added a description, we've selected the category, and we've added an image. The final thing we need to do is publish the product. So we can click the publish button. So we can now have a look at what we've published, and just a couple of things before we do that. One is the permalink here. This is a URL of the page, and the last bit was created using the title of the product. You can always edit this and include more keywords. Just leave a space and the system will automatically put in a hyphen. And also you can edit the order of the products by the date that they are published. So you can always change over here where it says published. We can always edit the published date by clicking the blue edit button and just adjusting the date. So the newer the product, the higher up the list it appears, and it's quite easy then to group products together by giving them the same or very similar dates. So now let's click on the preview changes button, or you can also click on the view product button just at the top of the page. So we click on that, view product, and then we can see the product. We can see the additional image that we added in the gallery. We can click on that, and we can then click on the image and enlarge images. And you see the title of the image that we put in earlier, so that appears at the top. And if we click any just outside the image, it will close that box. Just under the Exmoor calendar title would normally the short description would appear. We didn't add one, but further down the page the product long description is appearing here, and that is it. And you can see actually the category. We are in the demo category that we just created. So that's it. That's how you add a simple product using WooCommerce and the Avada theme within WordPress. Please check out some of our other videos below and subscribe or leave a like.